Thanks for joining us today. We're excited to show you how easy and how simple this process is. So check out this video and enjoy.
Stuff.
I'm about to coat my own board.
Okay. No, I didn't do good. It was my fault. Welcome back to Leggari, guys. I'm here with Caleb, and we're about to have some fun.
I'm gonna coat my own board today.
Yeah, he is. Here we go. So we already got the color mixed up. We're gonna be doing our green apple. Bright green color. Very, very cool. And then we're gonna do some black spray paint, and we're gonna do like a wood grain effect on it. So I'm gonna pour this out, and I'll get you a brush. You're gonna start brushing it around. All right, so what you wanna do is brush this around right to your edges. See that? And maybe work from here. Don't do this edge yet, that way you don't get your shirt in it. And just kind of brush this around, apply a little pressure, get it right to the edge, okay? Nice. And do this far, get the far one done first.
The flat one?
Yeah, the fart one. Funny. There you go. Cool color, huh? Nice. Yeah, get it all coated. You can actually go around if you want to that side. Here, I'll hold this for you. Finish painting that in. That way you don't get it in your shirt, right? And I will be a nice fella and coat your edges for you. You coat that front edge since I can't see it, okay? Get a little on your paintbrush and then brush it on the edge. Dip it up here, brush it on the edge. So you happy with how the thickness is? Okay, let me check it. Let me grade it. We're gonna grade this. Okay. Feels pretty darn good. It's a little thick out here. So what I'll do is I'll just kind of push it to the edges. It doesn't really matter because it's all self-levels, kind of like water does. If you pour water out, it levels out, which is really cool. Another thing is watch, we'll create some bubbles and watch them pop. The bubble, watch it pop. Watch it. Boom, pops all on their own. So we don't have to torch it. Really nice resin to work with. Okay, so now we're gonna do the spray paints. And what I want you to do is just spray it down and just go different lines, straight up and down, like randomly, okay? Go straight, try to keep them straight as you can. Nice, good, yeah, all random. Doesn't matter, you're not gonna just try to keep them straight lines. Nice. Do a little, maybe a little bit right here. It's kind of hard to press it, huh? Get one like right here. Nice. Oh, that's fine. So then what we'll do, we'll get a little just on the edges. See, just random. It's just hard to pull the trigger sometimes when we get a little bit on our edges. That way our edges look good. Okay, now come over here. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna just run back and forth like this, okay? But go like straight, and then you can twist it on one too. So you want to go straight, twist it, okay? All we're gonna do is go back and forth just like that, and run it off the board. When you come over here, if you can reach, run it off the board, okay? See how cool that's looking already? I don't want you to get your shirt in it, so. Yep, nice, yep, keep going. Yep, so just do that a bunch all the way down. Nice. That's it, man. Pretty simple, huh? Mm-hmm. And you can even go to that side. So you could go halfway and then go to that side and go halfway. Do you think you got enough black? Do you want to add more black?
Yeah, maybe a little right here.
Maybe a little right there. So I'll spray some for you, and then all you got to do is blend it in, okay? We're at right here. Something like that?
Yeah.
Okay. It was skinny now. It went sideways.
Okay.
So we can leave it, or we can spray it with some isopropyl to do the cells. You want to do some cells? Mm-hmm. Okay. So hold it up high. Just barely pull the trigger. See that? Mm-hmm. That's all you want to do. Barely pull the trigger. Barely pull the trigger. Perfect. Okay, now go to the other side and do it. Isn't that cool? Mm-hmm. Hold it high. Nice. Get a little right here. A little over here on this edge. Okay, come back over here. That side's good. Remember, hold it up high. Get back, like right in here is all it needs. Right there. And then right here. Barely pull it. And one right here. Perfect. What do you think?
I think it looks good.
Doesn't it?
Mm-hmm.
So we'll let this sit for a little bit, and then we'll come back and see how it looks. All right, so it's been about an hour. This is the look that you're gonna get. It's gonna dry out. It's all leveled out now, so it's really not gonna change a lot. Fun project. You can do this with your kids. It's not just for testing product. It's a great thing to, entertainment for your kids. They love doing it. Was it fun? Mm-hmm. Yeah, so order yours today, and remember, Leggari.com has you covered.
Really good. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you guys can stay updated on our latest videos. And if you have any cool ideas for a project, we'd love to hear from you guys, so let us know in the comment section down below. And don't forget to hit that like button. We'll see you guys next time.